Hello students, for our question number 10, I am ready with my P&L appropriation account, partner's current account and my balance sheet. I have placed the figures of the trial balance, yes, up to now. Yes, in this all three accounts, and I will be doing the adjustment now in front of you. Okay, as we have already discussed earlier, yes, provide interest on capital at 6% and drawings at 10%. Okay, so first adjustment interest on capital. Yes, the amount of capital is 1,20,000 for love and 80,000 for Kush. The amount is 7,200 and 4,800. Yes, the effect of this amount will go in the P&L appropriation account, interest on capital. Yes, 7,200 for love, 4,800 for Kush. The another effect will be in partner's current account, 7,200 for love and 4,800 for Kush. Next part, okay, interest on drawings. Drawings is 40,000 and 12,000. You have to provide 10% interest on drawings. So the amount is 4,000 and 1,200. So interest on drawings P&L appropriation account over here 4,000 and 1,200. In partner's current account, interest on drawings, yes, 4,000 and over here 1,200. Okay, students, pay attention. Moving on to the next adjustment. Okay, provide 10% interest on the opening balance of the current account. Yes, in the question, love's balance is credit, but we have Kush as debit balance. Students, always remember the one with the the one with the credit balance will receive the interest credit side in partner's current account, and the one with the debit balance will receive the interest in debit side in partner's current account. Okay, interest on current account, the balance of current account 80,000 into 10%, 800, and 12,000 into 10%, it is 1,200. Okay, so now moving on to P&L appropriation account. In P&L appropriation account, interest on current account 800. Okay, for Kush, because it is having debit balance. Yes, and over here 1,200. Okay, for love, because it is having credit balance. Okay, and over here interest on current account Kush 800 debit side, and for love 1,200 credit side. Okay, moving ahead to the next adjustment. Monthly salary 1,800 is outstanding payable to Kush. Okay, so monthly salary of 1,800 is outstanding payable to Kush. Okay, so okay, over here salary to Kush 1,800 into 12, it comes to 21,600. Okay, so over here to salary 21,600, and in the Kush current account, yes, to salary 21,600. It will be 0 for love. Okay, so now moving on, after incorporation of, it should be incorporation instead of information. Okay, after incorporation of the above mentioned adjustments on remaining profit, 10% commission is payable to Kush. It is written over here. So over here, first of all, we will be finding the total of the credit side. Yes, what is the total of the credit side? Yes, it is 86,400. Okay, so I am putting over here the formula, the total of credit side less, Yes, less the total of debit side. Okay? Yeah, the salary amount is gone. The amount of the salary is 21,600. Okay. So it is 52,000. Over here I have put the formula. That means commission is to be paid on this 52,000. Yes, the total of the credit side less the total of the debit side to commission. Now how much it will be? 52,000 into 10%. That is 5200. Okay. And now I am revising over here the formula. Yes. Now the total of credit side less the total of debit side will be 46,800. That is, this is our profit. It has to be divided between the partners. But students, Love and Kush distribute 60% of the profit in 3 is to 2 ratio and 40% into 2 is to 1 ratio. Okay, so over here 46,800. Yes, 60% is to be divided into 3 is to 2. That comes to 16846 and 11232, and the 40% 18,700 is to be divided into 2 is to 1, 12480 and 6240. Now we will make the total of both the sides of Love and both the sides of Kush. That is 16846 plus 12480, that is 29,328. 11232 plus 6240, that is 17472. Now we will be writing this figure 29328 over here. Okay, 29328 and 17472. Okay, which is over here. Okay, 17472. Okay, so we are done with the capital appropriation, profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, we will be transferring this figure over here. I have already given the formula 2932 and 19472. Okay, so now, okay, so over here in partners current account. Okay, in partner's current account, we have not written the amount of commission, 5,200. Okay. So now, in partner's current account, yes, the total of credit side, the total of credit side, okay, is the total of credit side is 49072. Yes, the total of credit side is 49072. Okay, yes, and the total of debit side after deducting the total of debit side 1328 and 2262, we will be putting this figure, we will be putting this figure over here in our balance sheet. Yes, and now we will be checking the balance of balance sheet. It is the same, there is no difference. That means our sum is correct. Okay, yes students, thank you.